What's up, guys? It's JP here. Apparently, there's something with Birds of Prey online. This whole situation is confusing. Like, it was supposed to be like some kind of exclusive thing for the theaters, and now there's something online. I mean, I saw that Tyrone posted a reaction for a teaser, so I'm gonna react to it as well right now. So let's check it out. Not really looking forward to this movie, but I did like Harley Quinn and Suicide Squad, so. Oh, I already saw this. The whole fake out. It's like an It trailer, but then it's Harley Quinn.
I'm so fucking over clowns.
Like a reference to like Black Man trailer. Yep. The fuck? So basically, I'll be honest, that was a waste of a reaction. I pretty much saw this already. I saw a video that Emergency Awesome did that basically had the same thing in there. So I don't know if they're gonna release something more substantial in the next couple of days. Then I will give a better reaction to that. So I might just upload this. Fuck it. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Enter my giveaway. Win a Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PS4. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe for your chance to win. Till the next time. Peace.